How's it going? So I got shipment from TGA, the grading authority. Bought a mystery pack for the vintage Pokemon. It was $40. You get, I think, 2 graded cards from either base set, jungle, forgetting some other ones, but pretty much all the old vintage cards are available in there. So figured I would get some just to test it out, see if we can get something good. Why not? And here I put a little sticker over my address, but I got my I believe these are my graded cards. I submitted 6, and on their website I didn't get any notification that it had sent. I checked my account, it's still processing. So either they just didn't update it and failed to let me know that it was coming, or I got somebody else's cards, or it's something completely random. I have no clue. But we'll do that second. We'll start with the mystery packs here from the vintage category. So I believe should be, the back should be here. No, back's right here. So what do we got? Got a little scuff up there, something right there. Corners look a little weird, probably like a 6 of an Abra. Team Rocket. Appeal to reveal. 6. 8.5. Well, not sure what this goes for, but I'm sure it's not the most expensive card just to get. But that's cool. It's cool. So we'll go card number 2. Oh, they gave us a 50% off next order. Got everything in there? Hold on. I think there's some stuff down there. Nope. And back doesn't look too bad here. Little scuffage on the scuffage. I don't think that's a word. But some scuff marks on the corners, and a scissor promo. Pretty cool, I guess. 9. So it's the Black Star promo. Well, Abra and a scissor, 8.5 and a 9. Probably. I mean, I don't know the values. I mean, it's cool. I mean, I didn't get it to try to, get some base shadowless Charizard or something. But I was hoping to get something a little better than these. I do like scissor, though. I do like scissor. But pretty cool. Slabs look nice, honestly. Alright, let's get to this graded box. I'm assuming it's my graded cards. And right here. Jeez. There we go. Looks like these are mine. Got a little note. Favorite card, Shadow Rider Calyrex. I did think that was the best card as far as grading goes. I think that was in my opinion, it looked like it could, be a 10, but we'll see what it gets. I thought it had a good chance to be a 10. Is that 6? That is 6. What else did they put in here? Just some protection. Yep, these are mine. This is my submission form. Not quite sure why it wasn't updated on the website, but I guess they're just too busy or what. So we'll start. What's this one? Wow. 9.5. I thought it would have the peel to reveal, but I guess not. But 9.5, that's really good. I mean, I thought this was a immaculate card, but there's small surface issues. You can't really see it. Yeah, you kind of can. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but like you can kind of see 2 lines kind of going across the belly. I don't know if I can't really see it, but yeah. Other than that, it looked flawless. I mean, a tad bit on the left. There's more space, that white line, but wow, 9.5. I kind of thought that little surface issue would have brought it down a lot, but I did know it was a good card. So that's really exciting for me because this is a very good card. Very good card. Awesome. Did not expect 9.5 Pikachu. Wow. Oh, excuse me. 1 minute. All right. Sorry about that. Yeah, I just got to look at this again. That's crazy. 9.5. Awesome. Such a good looking card. All right, I thought they would put the stickers on it, but I guess not, so we'll have to cover it up. Oh, and here we go. The Shadow Rider. Oh, the centering is very heavy on the left, actually. It's the same on the back. Hmm. 2021, Chilling Rain. A 9. Huh. I thought this would have done a little bit better, to be honest. Definitely didn't expect the Pikachu to do better. But I mean, honestly, I'll take it. I mean, if you're considering value, Pikachu's worth, what, 3 times the amount? Pretty cool. What do we have here? Oh, forgot about this one. This was the first alt art I pulled from Evolving Skies. I was very excited when I pulled this one. So it looks pretty good. I mean, just quick look. I don't see very many flaws with this one. Centering's decent. Surface looked good, but I mean, it's hard to tell. So let's see. 9.5. Not bad. Oh yeah, I did notice there were some errors, some typo errors. So I just need to double check that real quick. Looks good. Don't know what FA means. I'm blanking on that. But I'm assuming the SR is secret rare and the rainbow. And then alternate art. 2021 Evolving Skies. Oh yeah, the number. Let me check that. 188. Yep. Looks good. All right, halfway. What is our next one? Ooh, I thought this one was pretty good. I think the only flaw I saw was that the bottom centering was a little high. But this is a really good card. Got this out of an ETB. Yeah, you can kind of tell. It is very high on the bottom. So maybe 9.5? That's my guess. Everything looks good on the spelling. A 10, pristine 10. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. I guess maybe it's not as bad as I thought. Let's go. That is sick. Pristine. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nothing under a 9 so far. We got a 10, a 9, 9.5, 9.5. Let's go. So these two are Umbreon V and an Umbreon V Max. Here we go with the Umbreon V. And just by looking at it, it looks solid. I'm looking at that top left corner right now. Centering looks fine. Didn't see any surface issues. At least not from here. It looks like there's a little dent up here. I don't remember seeing that before. That's not good. The edges look kind of... Sorry, I wasn't looking at the video. I was kind of looking at it away from the camera. But I'm noticing there's something down there. I don't know if you can see it. Kind of right there. And the corners are kind of terrible. Really terrible. I think this might be our first under 9. Unless that up there is a part of the sleeve they use when they put it in there. I don't know if they use any sleeves or not. But let's see. I'm going to guess 8.5. 9. All right. I guess everything else was good. So that makes sense. A 9. But the corners just aren't. I don't know. I wish they were better. The quality control on some of the cards that Pokemon was sending out was awful. Awful. Alright, here's the big one. The monster. The monster card. God, I love this card. It's beyond excited when I pulled this. This is my favorite Pokemon card they've ever made. By far, my favorite. By far. Like, this thing is beautiful. Look at that artwork. It's insane. And then just the glitter, the sparkles that it has when it hits the light. It's the best card Pokemon's ever made, in my opinion. And it's not even close. This card it's amazing. So everything looks good. Alt Art Secret. Centering's a little heavy on the left. Yeah, I'm gonna guess that corners don't look the greatest, but I mean, I'm no grader, so I have no clue, but I'm gonna guess a 9. 9.5. Yes. Let's freaking go. Let's go. All right. So, 9.5 on the Rainbow Pikachu, 10 on the Glaceon Pristine. Love it. And my favorite card, 9.5 Umbreon VMAX. Awesome. And then I'll show you the others just before I go. Umbreon, Sylveon, Shadow Radic Calyrex. That's a good looking card. Oh. And from the vintage mystery pack, we got the Scissor and the Abra. So, kind of whatever on that, but with the grades I got from the cards I submitted, I'm stoked on that. But anyways, thanks for watching. Good luck on your grading, and have a good one.